You might think you're protected online, but if you're using the wrong tool, you could still be exposing your browsing activity, your IP address, or even your location. If you use Tor to stream a movie, it's gonna buffer forever. If you rely on something like Smart DNS for privacy, you could be exposed in a matter of seconds. The difference comes down to how your data travels. Tor stands for the onion router, and it's built around one idea, layering your connection so it's extremely difficult to trace. Instead of sending your traffic through a single server, like a VPN, Tor routes it through a series of relays, usually 3, run by volunteers around the world. Each relay only knows part of the journey. The first relay sees your IP address, but not your final destination. The last relay sees where the traffic is going, but not where it came from. By the time your request reaches its destination, it's passed through multiple layers, making it very difficult to trace it back to you. And that's the goal of Tor, anonymity. It's designed for situations where that level of protection actually matters. Think journalists, whistleblowers, activists, or anyone handling sensitive information, especially in restrictive environments. You'll often hear Tor associated with the dark web, since it's one of the ways that people access .onion sites, but that's just one part of how it's used. It's also free and decentralized, meaning there's no single company controlling the network, but there are trade-offs. Tor is significantly slower than both DNS and VPNs. Your traffic is bouncing through multiple layers, often across different countries, so delays add up pretty quickly. And that makes it very impractical for things like streaming, gaming, or downloading large files. It's also important to understand how it works in practice. Most people use Tor through the Tor Browser, which is a modified browser that automatically routes only your browsing traffic through the Tor network. That means that anything inside the Tor browser is routed through the Tor network, but other apps on your device, like messaging apps or background services, will still use your normal internet connection unless you configure them separately. And even inside Tor, your behavior still matters. Logging into personal accounts or sharing identifiable information can still link activity back to you. Some VPN providers also offer built-in Tor routing, which lets you access the Tor network without using the Tor browser at all, and provides you with an extra layer of security. We've linked to a VPN that supports this down in the description if you want to explore that specific setup. If you want to try Tor in its standard form, we'll also include a direct link to the Tor browser down in the description. So, Tor is powerful, but it's built for a very specific use case. For most people, it's not the tool for you to use for everyday browsing, streaming, or downloading. We've also linked to our top-rated options down in the description for the different use cases that we covered in today's video, and using those links can help you get the best available deals, and it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you, which we really appreciate. But as always, thank you so much for watching VPN Mentor, and we'll see you in the next video.